everyone, Tyler with Diesel Laptops. Today we are going to hook up to this 2018 Freightliner with a Detroit. So as you can see, I got my Texa box all hooked up and we're plugged into the data port in there, and we're Bluetooth and wireless all the way to this thing. So let's go to the back of the vehicle here. We're in a shop, probably get a little bit of background noise there, I'm sure. And let's just talk about a little bit going on. So I'm already hooked up to this thing, and you can see right away there's 295 parameters on this vehicle that we can read. So if I go over here to this list over here on the right, you can just scroll down. They'll show blank for a second and then it reads it. And I can double click any of them to see the graphing on those particular codes and see what's going on with those codes, those parameters. So let's talk about fault codes, because that's really what I want to show you in this video and what you get when you get a tool from Diesel Laptops. These are things that you only get with us. They're extra software that we made, because kind of the problem with Texa is it doesn't have great repair information included with it. So for example, we have this dozer fuel line, and if I double click the code, that's all I really get. I get this hexadecimal code, and I get these SPNs and FMIs. So it doesn't really tell me what to fix or how to fix it, but your kit from Diesel Laptops will. So we actually give you two different tools to do that. So I'm gonna open DTC Solutions, and I'm gonna go over here to Detroit, and then I'm gonna go select my EPA 2007 and newer, and I'm gonna put in my SPN code up here. So now I could go and search through this list and find all these things, but there they are, it's all filtered, and we had FMI too. So I can click this, and you'll see it's gonna tell you pretty much what causes that code and where you need to go. So that's great, but you may say I want more information than that, which we do give you. You click on wiring diagrams, and you go over here and you kind of pick what engine and what emission year you have. Like we have a DD 15 and 16, GHG 14, greenhouse gas, 2014 and newer. You'll see we have a wiring diagram here of about 7 pages long. And in that wiring diagram, we're gonna give you all the pinouts on all the connectors, and we're gonna go through and we're gonna give you wiring diagrams on the engines. So you can see all the different sensors, the wire numbers, what pin they go to on the ECM connector, and everything's in there for that engine. So besides that, we also give you a little bit more information as well. There's another program we have called Knowledge Base, and this is only sold if you purchase a kit from Diesel Laptops. You cannot buy this program separate at all. Hopefully I can remember my password here and get logged in. Oh, maybe I typed it wrong. Let me try that again. And we'll try that one more time. I think I need a capital letter here in the beginning. All right, so now we're logged in. So you do have to be online for this program, but it's relatively easy to use. So I just clicked on truck. We do have off-highway repair information here as well. Then I click on Detroit, and now I'm picking what model I have. And again, I got a DD series 2007 through current. So I'll click on that, and now I can see all kinds of things. DTCs, service manuals, wiring diagrams. To go to the DTCs, I can click on that folder. And now I have a couple options. I could scroll through this list looking for what I need, or I can just simply go up here and type 3480 and hit the little search button. And now it's gonna show me all my codes at 3480, and we had 3480 FMI2. So I'll click that, it'll download the PDF, and now we have our step-by-step troubleshooting for that code. So a lot more information than that's in DTC Solutions, and it'll go through here, give you the warnings and all that, and start talking about spec values, and eventually it'll start talking about what tests you need to do, and then it gives you a nice yes-no troubleshooting tree. All right? So very nice, great information to have, get you through any kind of repairs you have. We give you all kinds of tools, and again, this stuff's only available from Diesel Laptops. So thank you for watching, we appreciate it.